Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with a new half-up style. I did this combination on Marta and we're going to show you how to achieve the final result. For this I section off the crown hair, just the very top, and this is the hair that later goes into the middle Dutch braid. So try to make a neat part line by cleaning up after you did the first step. You see that I do it rounded, it's like an elliptic shape or like an egg shape, then clip it for the time being away. You can use a hair tie, any hair clip, whatever is convenient for you. Just take it away for the time being, and then you do a 1 centimeter, as wide as your little finger, by the side. This is for the 2 cone rows that are going to frame the middle braid. So I use here a hair tie again to put this portion of hair away, and then I do the same section on the right hand side, and this is just clipped away. All the rest of the hair I bring into a deep ponytail because I don't want it to be tangled into my braids. I prep the first strand, that is the right hand side here, with some hair gel around the part line, and I apply the gel with the toothbrush from the top and underneath. Then I comb everything through, and we start with a small section from the front, very tiny, to incorporate the baby hairs that she has there in the front, and with 3 strands we are starting a Dutch braid. For a Dutch braid you go always under the middle strand, so here you see right goes under and I add some hair, then left goes under and I add some hair, and this you do by always adding in tiny portions of hair until you reach the middle of the head, where we're going to secure the braid straight to the scalp with a little tiny hair elastic. Keep on braiding until there is no more hair to incorporate, so just keep on going. Always bring first under and then add in some hair. I want this braid to sit straight in the middle. This is why I'm adding hair from both sides, and so from the top and from underneath. Here now the braid is until the middle of the head braided, and I finish it off with a tiny hair elastic. Then we go to the other side. Do exactly the same thing. Add around the part line some hair gel. This will make your braid look neater. And like I have done it in many videos before, I like to do this with the toothbrush because it gives me the chance to apply the gel right where I want it. Again, tiny portion of hair. You split this into 3 equal strands and you start to braid. Make 2 stitches, bringing the outer under, then the upper under the middle, and then you start to incorporate some hair. So add in some hair, bring the upper strand under the middle, add in some hair, bring the strand from down under the middle. Do this exactly like on the other side until you reach the middle of the head, and then you just tie it off with a little hair elastic. If your hair is fluffy, fresh washed, whatever, just take some more gel for the length, and then you have better control over these strands. Then we're going to open the hair from the crown. Here I also apply gel over nearly the whole top, and then I comb it through. Section off a small part from the front with the comb. It's about 2 centimeters, 1.5 finger wide. Split it into 3 equal strands, and we're not going to do Dutch braid this time, we're doing the French braid. So the outer strand gets over the middle and then the right strand goes over the middle. When I do a French braid, in opposite to what you have seen before with the cornrows, I first add in the hair. So you see the left-hand strand, and I add in some hair to this strand, and then if necessary you comb through, you bring it over the middle strand, and then again add in some hair and go over the middle strand. The end is just braided until absolutely down, and there I tie it off with a little hair elastic. The two cornrows I combine with another elastic. This gives the effect to push a bit the French braid on the top, then loosen up the deep ponytail, and you see this gives it a bit of a lift. And I apply some more gel around the face to avoid flyaways. And I love this style because you can easily tie the rest of the hair into a high ponytail and let the braid go over, and also looks very cute, and it lasts 3, 4, 5 days perfectly. This is our final result. I hope you like it. If it's the case, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. We are uploading 1 to 2 videos every week and hope to see you back. Bye bye.